Beny Steinmetz is an Israeli businessman with a portfolio in diamond mining and real estate. Beny Steinmetz was born in Netanya, the fourth child of Reuben Steinmetz. Steinmetz lives in Israel with his wife Agnes and their 4 children. With his wife, he oversees the Beny and Agnes Steinmetz Foundation, which donates to schools, hospitals, army units and the arts in Israel. He also holds French citizenship and describes himself as an international Israeli. Steinmetz occupies an advisory role to the Beny Steinmetz Group Resources Board of Directors. BSGR is a natural resource company active in the fields of oil and gas, mining, metal and power. In March 2014, the Swiss daily Le Temps reported that Beny Steinmetz had sold shares in the Steinmetz Diamond Group to his brother Daniel. As of March 2015, BSG Capital, a subsidiary of BSGR, held a 16% share in Gabriel Resources Ltd. Koidu Holdings, which formerly operated as a joint venture, has been wholly owned by the BSGR company since 2007. In 1997, he founded STI Ventures NV, a venture capital firm that invests in startup companies in Israel. In 1999, he was the owner of 2 Cows, a now defunct company, of which he was a founder and shareholder. Nicanor plc, listed in London, was acquired by Katanga Mining in 2008. With his company called Scorpio, he owns real estate in Kazakhstan, Russia, and Eastern Europe. In November 2019, Forbes estimated his net worth at $1.1 billion. Beny Steinmetz had been involved in a long-running dispute with the government of the Republic of Guinea surrounding the development of Simandou Blocks 1 and 2, part of one of the world's largest iron ore deposits. In December 2008, a 3-year exploration permit to prospect for iron ore in Simandou was awarded to BSGR Guinea, after the government of GITS to mine the northern half of Simandou. Days before he died, to Steinmetz for $160 million. Steinmetz then soon sold a 51% share onto Whale for $2.5 billion. The U.S. Justice Department and the FBI investigated BSGR's acquisition of the rights to extract half of the iron ore deposits at Simandou, Guinea, due to concerns about corruption and bribery. BSGR denied these allegations, and in an interview to The New Yorker, Steinmetz said, "We are the victims. We have done only good things for Guinea. And what we are getting is spit in the face." In April 2014, the Guinean government accused BSGR of obtaining the Simandou mining rights by paying bribes to the wife of then-President Lansana Conté in 2008, and that the rights would be stripped from BSGR and its partner Whale SA. In September 2014, BSGR started an international arbitration proceeding against the Republic of Guinea in the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, challenging the government's decision to revoke its mining rights. In February 2019, BSGR together with Guinean President Alpha Conde agreed to drop the pending arbitration case and all allegations of wrongdoing. As part of the agreement, BSGR would relinquish its rights to Simandou and maintain an interest in the Zogata deposit that would be developed by head of Nirong Metals, Mick Davis. Rio Tinto then filed suit against Steinmetz, BSGR and Whale, alleging that they had devised a RICO scheme to steal valuable mining rights held by Rio Tinto. Steinmetz subsequently hired former FBI Director Louis Freeh, defense attorney Alan Dershowitz, and law firm Skadden, Arps, Slate, Maher and Flown as part of his defense team. In November 2015, Rio Tinto's RICO lawsuit against BSGR was dismissed, with U.S. District Judge Richard Berman ruling that Rio exceeded the statute of limitations when filing their claim against BSGR in 2014, and that the company failed to identify a pattern of racketeering activity by the defendants. In mid-November 2016, Alan Davies, head of the Rio Tinto department responsible for Simandou, was suspended due to an investigation into the lawfulness of Rio Tinto's payment to François de Combat, former managing partner at Lazard and personal advisor to the President of Guinea. On 1 December 2016, France 24 aired recordings from 2012 that it claimed were conversations between François de Cambrai and unnamed people involved in negotiations over the future of Simandou. Australian media referred to the controversy as Guinea Gate. In December 2016, Steinmetz was arrested on suspicion of money laundering and bribery charges following an investigation carried out by Israeli, American, Swiss, and Guinean authorities in coordination with the OECD. He was placed under house arrest on 19 December 2016. Due to accusations that he paid tens of millions of dollars to senior public officials in Guinea to advance his businesses, specifically in connection with BSGR's purchase of Simandou. Steinmetz was released without charge the following month. In April 2017, BSGR filed a suit against American billionaire George Soros in U.S. federal court in New York, claiming he had engaged in a lengthy effort to defame the company.